Hello guys, this is Ajay. Today's video is about how to install libraries required for ZERODHA users. Okay, so so you will get this doc. You will get these docs in the Google Drive link that we have provided to you. Okay, don't worry. So today we are going to execute these commands in the command prompt. Okay, these commands. So first of all, let me open the command prompt. So to open the command prompt, just click type here to search option and click CMD and this is a command prompt. So those who are using Mac, you can open Bash. So your default terminal is Bash. Okay. And one more thing, those who are using Mac, you need to use pip3 instead of pip in every command. Whenever I say pip, you need to use pip3. So let me just show you right now. So pip install twisted. This is the command for Windows users. So for Mac users, you need to simply click use pip3. Okay. Your command is like this: pip3 install twisted. I hope you understand. Okay. So now first command is pip install twisted. Okay. Let me first execute that. Pip install twisted. Pip install twisted. See carefully whether you are using the correct name or not. You need to use twisted. Okay. So in my case, it is showing requirements already satisfied because I already have pip by default. So I already downloaded this twisted library. So that's why it is showing requirements already satisfied for me. So in your case, you might get this type of response. So something gets downloading, something gets started downloading, and then at the end you will get successful installed message, and you can ignore the warning. You can ignore the warning. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay. Okay. Now first command has been completed. Pip install twister. Now pip install KiteConnect. Okay. Pip install kite. Pip install KiteConnect. Okay. So this also I already have this library, so that's why it's showing. Next, pip install pandas. Pip install pandas. Okay. Pip install pandas. Okay, and then pip install xlwings. Install xlwings, and then pip install flask. Pip install flask, and then pip install requests. Pip install requests. Okay, guys, that's it for zero the users. So you can use these commands and install the required libraries. Thank you.